Imagine a fruit, its green skin covered in soft spines, hiding a creamy white flesh within. This is the soursop, a fruit as exotic as its name suggests. Native to the tropical regions of the Americas, the soursop is known as graviola, guanabana, or custard apple. It's generating buzz for its health benefits, especially as a potential anti-cancer agent. Could this humble fruit hold the key to combating cancer? Nature holds an abundance of secrets, and for centuries, humans have looked to the plant kingdom for remedies to various ailments. Plants have the remarkable ability to produce a vast array of compounds, many of which possess potent medicinal properties. These compounds, often referred to as phytochemicals, have been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer effects. From the rosy periwinkle, which gave us life-saving anti-cancer drugs, to the Pacific yew tree, a source of the chemotherapy drug Taxol, the history of medicine is replete with examples of plants providing powerful weapons in the fight against disease. And now, soursop is stepping into the spotlight, its rich phytochemical profile hinting at its potential as a natural cancer fighter. The modern world is increasingly turning towards natural solutions for health and wellness. As we learn more about the potential side effects of synthetic drugs, the allure of plant-based remedies is growing stronger. Soursop, with its long history of traditional use and intriguing scientific evidence, fits perfectly into this narrative. Could soursop be the answer to our quest for natural cancer treatments? While more research is certainly needed, the evidence so far is promising. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the origins, science, and anecdotal evidence surrounding soursop, exploring its potential as a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a lush, tropical rainforest. The air is thick with humidity and the scent of exotic flowers. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows. This is the habitat of the soursop tree, thriving in warm, humid climates. The soursop tree, known as Annona muricata, is a study in contrasts. Its branches, reaching 10 to 20 feet, are adorned with glossy, dark green leaves. Nestled among these leaves are the true treasures, the soursop fruits. The heart of the rainforest. For centuries, indigenous cultures have revered the soursop tree, recognizing its value not just for its delicious fruit, but also for its medicinal properties. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, the soursop tree holds a place of honor in traditional medicine. Shamans and healers have long used various parts of the tree, including its leaves, bark, and roots, to treat a wide range of ailments. From fevers to infections, from digestive problems to skin conditions, soursop has been a trusted remedy for generations. The knowledge of its healing properties has been passed down through oral traditions, a testament to the deep connection between indigenous communities and the natural world. While modern science is just beginning to understand the complexities of this remarkable fruit, the wisdom of traditional medicine has recognized its potential for centuries. A taste of the tropics. But the allure of soursop extends far beyond its medicinal properties. Its unique flavor, a tantalizing blend of sweet and sour, has made it a beloved ingredient in cuisines across the tropics. Imagine biting into the creamy white flesh of a ripe soursop. The flavor is at once familiar and exotic, a delightful combination of pineapple, banana, and strawberry with a hint of citrus. It's no wonder that soursop has found its way into a multitude of culinary creations. From refreshing beverages to decadent desserts, soursop adds a touch of tropical magic to any dish. In Brazil, it's the star ingredient in a popular ice cream flavor. In Indonesia, it's blended into a creamy, sweet drink called es buah. And in many parts of the Caribbean, it's used to make a refreshing juice that's perfect on a hot day. Beyond the fruit. While the fruit itself is the most well-known part of the soursop tree, its other parts also hold hidden treasures. The leaves, often brewed into a tea, are believed to possess calming and sedative properties. The bark, traditionally used to treat a variety of ailments, is also thought to have anti-inflammatory effects, and the seeds, though toxic if consumed directly, can be crushed and used as a natural insecticide. This versatility, This ability to provide sustenance, healing, and even protection is a testament to the remarkable nature of the soursop tree. It's a plant that truly embodies the spirit of the tropics, vibrant, resilient, and full of surprises. For centuries, traditional healers have recognized the potent healing properties of soursop, but it's only in recent decades that modern science has begun to unravel the secrets behind its remarkable effects. Researchers, equipped with sophisticated tools and techniques, have peered deep into the cellular structure of soursop, uncovering a treasure trove of bioactive compounds with significant medicinal potential. These compounds, many of which are unique to the Anonychiae family to which soursop belongs, have piqued the interest of scientists worldwide. Among the most intriguing of these compounds are a group known as acetogenins, naturally occurring substances with powerful anti-cancer properties. These acetogenins, found in the leaves, bark, roots, and fruit of the soursop tree, are believed to be responsible for many of soursop's purported health benefits, particularly its ability to combat cancer cells. Acetogenins are a fascinating class of compounds that have garnered significant attention from the scientific community. These potent substances work by targeting the mitochondria, the powerhouses of cells, effectively cutting off the energy supply to cancer cells and halting their growth. Imagine a bustling city suddenly plunged into darkness as its power grid is disabled. That's the kind of disruption that acetogenins can cause to cancer cells. Unlike conventional chemotherapy drugs that often harm healthy cells in their quest to destroy cancerous ones, acetogenins appear to exhibit a remarkable degree of selectivity. They target cancer cells specifically, leaving healthy cells largely unharmed. This targeted approach, if proven effective, could revolutionize cancer treatment, offering a more precise and less toxic way to combat this devastating disease. The fight against cancer is rarely straightforward. Cancer cells are notoriously adaptable, often developing resistance to even the most powerful drugs. This is why researchers are so excited about soursop's potential. It appears to attack cancer cells on multiple fronts. In addition to acetogenins, soursop is a rich source of other beneficial compounds, including alkaloids, flavonoids, and antioxidants. These compounds work synergistically, enhancing each other's effects and providing a multi-targeted approach to cancer treatment. For example, antioxidants help protect healthy cells from damage caused by free radicals, molecules that can contribute to cancer development. Flavonoids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce the inflammation often associated with cancer. This multi-pronged attack makes soursop a formidable opponent in the fight against cancer. Safety and considerations. While the potential of soursop as an anti-cancer agent is incredibly exciting, it's important to approach this topic with a healthy dose of caution. The research on soursop is still in its early stages, and much more work needs to be done to fully understand its mechanisms of action, optimal dosages, and potential side effects. It's crucial to remember that soursop is not a miracle cure for cancer. It should not be used as a substitute for conventional cancer treatments. If you are considering incorporating soursop into your diet, especially if you have been diagnosed with cancer or are undergoing any other medical treatment, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider. They can help you weigh the potential benefits and risks and make informed decisions about your health. Beyond the hype. The internet is abuzz with claims about soursop's miraculous cancer-curing abilities. While it's easy to get swept up in the excitement, it's important to separate fact from fiction. There's a significant difference between anecdotal evidence, often based on personal experiences and testimonials, and scientific evidence, which relies on rigorous research and controlled studies. While anecdotal accounts of soursop's benefits are encouraging, they should not be interpreted as definitive proof of its efficacy. We need more robust scientific studies, including clinical trials involving human subjects, to confirm the findings of preliminary research and determine the true potential of soursop as an anti-cancer agent. Whispers of hope. In the hushed halls of research institutions and the bustling marketplaces of traditional medicine, whispers of hope have begun to circulate about the soursop fruit. For generations, indigenous communities have relied on its leaves, bark, and fruit for healing, passing down their knowledge through generations. Now, modern science is beginning to catch up, with researchers around the world turning their attention to this unassuming tropical fruit. While soursop's journey from traditional remedy to potential cancer fighter is still in its early stages, the anecdotal evidence is compelling. Stories abound of individuals who, faced with a cancer diagnosis, turned to soursop as part of their treatment regimen and experienced remarkable results. These stories, while not conclusive proof, offer a glimmer of hope and fuel the scientific quest to unlock the full potential of this intriguing fruit. Within the controlled environments of laboratories, scientists are meticulously dissecting the soursop fruit, isolating its compounds and subjecting them to rigorous testing, and the results so far have been nothing short of remarkable. In vitro studies conducted on isolated cancer cells in petri dishes have shown that soursop extracts can inhibit the growth and even trigger the death of various types of cancer cells, including breast cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, and leukemia. These laboratory victories have generated a wave of excitement in the scientific community, providing the much-needed impetus for further investigation. Researchers are particularly interested in acetogenins, a group of compounds found in soursop that appear to possess potent anti-cancer properties. These acetogenins work by targeting the mitochondria, the energy factories of cells, effectively starving cancer cells of the energy they need to survive and proliferate. While the results of in vitro studies are undoubtedly promising, translating these findings into effective treatments for human beings is a complex and challenging endeavor. The human body is a marvelously intricate system, and the journey from a petri dish to a patient is fraught with hurdles. What works in the isolated environment of a laboratory may not necessarily translate into success in the complex milieu of the human body. One of the main challenges lies in replicating the concentrations of soursop extracts used in laboratory settings within the human body. Dosage is critical. Too low a dose may be ineffective, while too high a dose could lead to unwanted side effects. Researchers are working diligently to determine the optimal dosages of soursop extracts that can effectively target cancer cells without causing harm to healthy cells. While the scientific community continues its meticulous research, a tapestry of personal stories woven with threads of hope and resilience offers compelling anecdotal evidence of soursop's potential. Individuals from all walks of life, united by their experiences with cancer, share their stories of incorporating soursop into their treatment plans and witnessing remarkable improvements in their health. A woman in her late 50s diagnosed with breast cancer recounts how, after incorporating soursop fruit into her diet, her energy levels soared and her tumor markers significantly decreased. A middle-aged man battling colon cancer shares how soursop juice consumed daily alleviated his digestive discomfort and improved his overall sense of well-being. These stories, while anecdotal, provide a powerful testament to the potential of soursop to complement conventional cancer treatments and improve the quality of life for those living with cancer. Despite the encouraging findings from laboratory studies and the compelling nature of anecdotal evidence, it is crucial to emphasize that soursop is not a magic bullet for cancer. Much more research, particularly large-scale clinical trials involving human subjects, is needed to definitively confirm the efficacy of soursop as an anti-cancer agent and establish its safety profile. The scientific community is actively investigating the potential of soursop, exploring its mechanisms of action, optimal dosages, and potential interactions with conventional cancer treatments. This research is paramount in separating hype from reality, allowing us to harness the potential benefits of soursop while ensuring the safety and well-being of those seeking natural approaches to cancer treatment. Soursop, the tropical fruit making waves for its health benefits, is known by many names. In South America, it's called guanabana. In Brazil, it's graviola. In Southeast Asia, it's gayabano or durian balanda. In Africa, it's pawpaw or custard apple. While soursop juice is a popular way to enjoy this tropical fruit, its culinary versatility extends far beyond a refreshing beverage. Imagine biting into a slice of freshly baked soursop cake, its tender crumb infused with the fruit's signature sweet and tangy flavor. Or picture yourself savoring a scoop of creamy soursop ice cream, its smooth texture and delicate aroma transporting you to a tropical paradise. In many cultures, soursop is transformed into delectable candies, its pulp cooked down with sugar and spices to create chewy, flavorful treats. And for those seeking a more adventurous culinary experience, soursop can even be incorporated into savory dishes. In some parts of Southeast Asia, it's used to add a tangy twist to curries and stews, while in South America, it's sometimes added to salads for a burst of tropical flavor. Surprising perks. More than just anti-cancer. While soursop has garnered significant attention for its potential anti-cancer properties, this remarkable fruit offers a plethora of other health benefits that often get overshadowed. Step aside. Acai and goji berries. Soursop is here to claim its rightful place as a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, soursop is a true gift from nature's medicine cabinet. Feeling under the weather? Soursop's high vitamin C content can help boost your immune system, while its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe a sore throat or ease cold symptoms. Need a digestive boost? Soursop is a good source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote gut health. And if you're looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure, soursop's potassium content can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. The Soursop Promise. Soursop, from rainforest origins to scientific research, holds immense promise. Its potential in fighting cancer is undeniable. Scientists are analyzing its potent compounds. Rigorous clinical trials are essential. This approach ensures safety and efficacy. Nature's Pharmacy, a call to exploration. The story of soursop serves as a powerful reminder that nature is a vast and largely untapped pharmacy, brimming with potential remedies for a myriad of ailments. For centuries, indigenous cultures have lived in harmony with nature, relying on its bounty for sustenance, healing, and spiritual guidance. Their traditional knowledge, passed down through generations and often dismissed as folklore, is proving to be a treasure trove of insights for modern medicine. It's time to approach nature not just as a resource to be exploited, but as a wise teacher with valuable lessons to impart. By embracing a spirit of curiosity and collaboration, by bridging the gap between traditional knowledge and modern science, we can unlock the secrets hidden within the natural world and discover innovative solutions to some of humanity's most pressing health challenges. A taste of hope. In a world grappling with the complexities of cancer, the search for effective and accessible treatments is a constant endeavor. Soursop, with its long history of traditional use and its intriguing scientific potential, offers a glimmer of hope. While it's not a magic bullet, its story is a testament to the power of nature to inspire innovation and offer new avenues for healing. Whether enjoyed as a refreshing juice, incorporated into a delectable dessert, or consumed in capsule form, soursop invites us to reconnect with the healing power of nature. As research continues to illuminate its potential, soursop stands as a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of daunting health challenges, nature may hold the key to unlocking a healthier and brighter future. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.